Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. In today's video on nodes is going to be how to make symmetrical nodes and also uh, how to add nodes. So if you get your shape tool and you select these two nodes, I do not know how to get around it, but it puts a node down this wall, but that's easily fixed. So we're going to take those nodes and then you can just delete these nodes. Someday I hope to find out how to change it where you can just put these nodes. So I'm going to hold down the shape tool, or the shift tool, the shift key, and I'm going to select every other node. And this is how to make it symmetrical if you're making like a saw blade. Then with your control key held down, if you raise it up, you can see it kind of snaps, so you can raise it up and they're going to be symmetrical. Every one of them, and they're aligned, like I just made a video on how to align things. But this way, they're symmetrical between the two. And I'll just kind of show here. Let's zoom in. If you would put a line with your straight line tool from here to here, and then go from the top node and holding down your control button. Sometimes that happens. Hold down your control button. You can see that the nodes are equal. Each piece is equal. So if you hold down your control button when you're moving nodes, it'll kind of, let's just back up here a little bit. If you get your shape tool, and if you let's just do this one node, and you can see it's highlighted. Hold down your control button. Now you can go left or right, but it kind of goes in like I think it's have a 15-degree rotation handle, so you can make these straight up and down and make it more symmetrical. And then if you happen to get offline, just like I did in the other video, you can get all the top of the mountains and go right here to align nodes horizontally, and they'll all be the same. And now see, that time it didn't do the average like I thought it did. It took the top one. So it might have been the last one you moved. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.